Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Fiesta door with a key. First, find the keyhole, typically on the driver's side door handle. Insert your physical key completely into this keyhole. Then, gently turn the key clockwise about 1/4 turn. You should feel a slight click as the lock disengages. Finally, pull the door handle to open your car door. This method is reliable, especially if your remote battery is dead. Sometimes, the key might not turn easily. First, double-check that the key is pushed all the way in. Try wiggling the key very gently while applying a small amount of turning pressure. Look closely for any visible debris or obstructions within the keyhole itself. If the lock feels stiff, a small amount of graphite lubricant, not oil, can often help free up the internal mechanisms, making it easier to turn. The manual keyhole on your Ford Fiesta directly engages the door's mechanical locking system. This means it works completely independently of your car's battery or any electrical power. It serves as a vital backup, ensuring you can always access your vehicle, even if your remote key fob battery is completely dead or malfunctioning. This reliable manual override is a standard feature on nearly all Ford Fiesta models, providing peace of mind. Always ensure you are using the correct physical key designed for your specific Ford Fiesta. Never force the key if it encounters significant resistance when turning, as this could damage the lock cylinder or the key itself. While using the manual method, remember to regularly check your key fob battery to ensure your remote entry works when you prefer it. Keeping a spare physical key is also a very smart idea for any unexpected lockout situations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.